Oh, let me just turn off the drill. So,
It's Wi-Fi controlled?
absolutely.
Oh, cool. Hey, welcome everybody. It's Johan and William again on a nice Friday afternoon. And we're here to talk about data communication in mines and tunnels, how you can save money and how you can get more robust communication by using what is called a Haley antenna from pointing. So Johan, how do you use a Haley antenna to save money?
Well, if you put an antenna like this in a tunnel or in like a mine, then we will save on access points, which means that we can go down maybe half or a third or even a quarter of the access points. And that will save a lot of money. But it also gives you a much faster installation since they don't have to install them as close to each other as you normally do. That also makes it saves on license costs because if you look at the mines we are running with today, they are using fairly expensive access points, outdoor ones, and that are made to be used in tunnels. So lower license cost per year will also give you lower TCO. And since it's less access point, that also means less service and less things to break.
So what more do you get from these antennas?
Well, most of all, you get better communication. There are no more low spots or high spots, which you get in a normal antenna. These will have a more linear range. We have, like we said, fewer failures since these are not any electronics in them and will not fail like an access point. So, well, communication overall. I mean, quality of communication is the most important thing. So tell me, William, because you have sold quite a few of these to mines. What are your feedback from the mines?
Well, what mining companies find is that they can at least get rid of every other access point. In the real world, maybe you have sharp turns and whatnot, and maybe you can't go as far as what we say theoretically, but you can at least get rid of every other access point, maybe every third access point. The other thing is that the blasting caps are controlled by Wi-Fi. So the farther back we can put the access point, the less damage we'll get to the access point, but every time we blast. So, Johan, tell me, how does this actually work?
These are circular polarized antennas. Circular polarized antenna is nothing new, but circular polarized antennas with high gain and wide bandwidth. That is something that Pointing has patented, and that's totally new, and this is what makes this thing really nice. So the thing with these helix antenna that they will send the signal like a corkscrew, either right-hand polarizing or left-hand polarizing, which means it's clockwise or counterclockwise. This type of signal will have fewer bad reflections. What I mean with the bad reflections is in a normal antenna, the reflection can counteract with the signal and make like black holes. So there's no reception in a certain part of the tunnel. This will more follow it, and if there's reflections from hitting the tunnel wall, they will not interfere the same way with the signal. They bend around tunnels, like you said. They have a way of following the tunnel. It will act like a wave guide. Of course, they will not do a 180-degree turn, but like 20, 15 degrees, not a problem to follow these. Much better than a normal antenna.
And it's not just mining. I mean, this will work in any tunnel?
Yeah, any tunnel. I mean, it could be a road tunnel. It could be a tunnel for trains. That's a specific thing about it as well, because normal antenna will bounce off the vehicles.
Oh.
This will follow the outside of the tunnel, so it will pass by whatever you have. If it's a truck or it's a loader or whatever you have in the tunnel, it will pass by much greater than a normal directional antenna.
Cool. All right.